Hi guys, before we dive into the control center or this NinjaTrader console together, I should tell you which symbols we trade in futures, which ones we use in level 2 and level 3 data, and which symbols are actually available. Guys, the S&P symbol is ES. Guys, not micro, not micro. Well, some say micro, Spaniards say micro. It's ES without the M, and NQ. Again, without the M, just NQ, which is the Nasdaq symbol. YM is the Dow Jones symbol, just YM. CL is the oil symbol, just CL. GC is the gold symbol, just GC, don't open MGC. SI is the silver symbol. And all Forex currency pairs start with 6, or well, 6. The first one is 6A, short for the Australian dollar. 6B is short for the British pound. And 6C is short for the Canadian dollar. 6E is short for the European Union euro. 6J is the same as USD yen. The letter J, or Japanese yen, serves as its official abbreviation, and the rest of them are those currency pairs that aren't majors. Well, if you want another symbol, we'll explain it to you in the future, where you can go to the CME Group website and go here and take a look at the markets. It's introduced some symbols for you here, like for example 10-year bonds, corn and soybeans, and other symbols. Or you can go to this section and search for symbols. But we'll explain it to you further on. But remember, in level 2 and level 3 data and in our strategies, only these few I just mentioned are useful. But however, I should point out that guys, in futures, the first side of our contract is always the dollar. Sorry, it's always the other symbol. And the second side is always the dollar. What does that mean? It means Euro USD, Pound USD, also known as GBP USD. It would have been better if I wrote this in capital letters. Now it's almost, well, sorry. But pay attention here, GBP USD yen, meaning JPY USD, NZD USD, NZD USD. The first contract side is that other symbol. The second side is the dollar. Now, what does this cause and what happens? When we take a symbol like USD yen, which is the opposite of Forex. Guys, for the USD yen, what do we have in Forex? In Forex, we have USDJPY. But in futures, we have JPY USD, which is Yen USD, okay? In Forex, we have Euro USD, which is the same as NinjaTrader. We have Pound USD, which is also like NinjaTrader. But in Forex, we don't have JPY USD. We have USD JPY, and the base currency is USD. This time, in Forex, what does that mean? It means we'll see the chart inverted compared to NinjaTrader. When the symbol is inverted, look here, euro dollar is exactly like NinjaTrader. It's gone up, so naturally on our NinjaTrader chart, it's also gone up. Okay, and it's the same for gold and others like the pound, but for USD JPY, if you pay attention, let me show you. Let me minimize this and bring it here. This is 6J or USD JPY. Guys, look at this. It formed a bullish candle here, but a bearish candle here. Again, for example, a bullish candle here is a bearish candle there. There was a downward move here, while there was an upward move over here. It's the opposite of Forex. This NinjaTrader chart on the left is inverted compared to Forex. Why? Because in NinjaTrader, what are we seeing right now? We're seeing JPY USD. But in Forex, on our trading view or MetaTrader, what are we seeing? We're seeing USD JPY. This only applies to inverted symbols. If you want to buy here on NinjaTrader, you'd have to sell over here. We'll get into this in more detail a little later on, but other symbols such as euro dollar are perfectly fine, and pound dollar is also fine to use. Let me go ahead and bring up euro dollar as well so you can see it. Okay, this is what we call 6E, which stands for euro dollar, right? Let me also bring up the Forex version 2, just so you can compare the two side by side. Now you can see that euro dollar has gone up. Well, you see it's gone up here too. It's a bullish move, an uptrend, and it's an uptrend here as well. Do you see? So it's only for symbols that are inverted on NinjaTrader. Symbols in Forex are inverted when the base currency is the dollar. Now go check which symbols in Forex have the dollar as the base currency. Those will be exactly the opposite of NinjaTrader. Alright, that's it for this session. In the next sessions, we'll move on and talk about the NinjaTrader console.